you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited to show you guys a brand new box to bring to my channel, and that is going to be this guy right here. This is the June-July box from AIA, American Influencer Beauty Bundle, and I'm really excited to show you guys this and tell you about the company. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received this in the mail. They did get a hold of me. They asked if I'd be willing to show you guys their box, and after looking at their website, I was actually really excited. So what I do when I first bring a box to my channel is I tell you all about it first, and then I unbox it. If it's ever a second or more, I unbox it first and then say it at the end in case you missed it. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and go over what I found on their website to let you know, so we kind of know what to expect and what's going to kind of be in this box. So now they did generate my own code. I have a code Crafty. Crafty will save you 10% off. So what is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle? The AIA Beauty Bundle is the first ever bi-monthly subscription bundle giving you exclusive access to influencer brands and products. So each bundle features a new influencer and their 5 to 6 full-size beauty products based on their passion and expertise, ranging from makeup, skincare, and hair care. Now, they did tell me their last box was all Guy Tang products, which would have been amazing hair care because I hear those are really good. So that's the thing I'm saying, like, it just seems really neat. So it's not just random things thrown in a box, which I actually am really liking this so far. So it says every bundle is valued over $100 and it's only $34 every other month. So again, this is bi-monthly, 6 times per year. It's $34 per box. Sorry if I just said month. So it's $34 per box every other month, and it's free shipping to the United States. With every bundle purchased, $1 is donated to the City of Hope for cancer research and our fight against COVID-19. That's awesome. They also give back, so we all help each other. I love when companies do that. So one box is $34 bi-monthly, valued over $100, renews automatically, cancel at any time. Or you can go to a 6-month prepaid, so there'll be 3 boxes, and you will pay $96. You save $6 that way. Or you can do one entire year, giving you the 6 full boxes. You save $14 that way, and you will pay $190 per year for those 6 boxes. So I'm really excited, and I love that they donate. That's an amazing cause. So all that being said, let's dive in and let's see what is in the first box I get to show you guys on my channel. So again, this is the June-July box. Their next box is going to be August and September. I'm excited to see what's in here. So let's go ahead and get it in. So this is, let's go ahead and get it in. So this is what the box looks like when you open it up. That is the presentation. It says, "Be strong, be beautiful, be you. AIAawards.com. Nice. And then there is a card, so that's awesome. Again, this is my first one, so I don't know what to expect. They have this nice white that matches everything. I like the colors. The presentation so far is really nice. I like that. So there's the products when you open it up. Now, this one says, "Hey mama babes, I'm thrilled to be partnering with the AIA Beauty Bundle to bring you these products. Beauty Simplified is at the core of our company. I create products with you in mind to make your beauty routine easier. I hope you enjoy your Manna Kadar beauty goodies, as these are some of our favorite products. We want to see your look, so please follow us and tag us at Manna Kadar Beauty." So let's go ahead and start seeing what we have. So the first item I'm pulling out, it says Manna Kadar Beauty Luxe Lash Serum. Ooh. I'll try anything that'll make these girls grow. So that's what it looks like. And there is some before and after pictures. Hey, you guys, I wanted to point out the fact that I opened this after the fact, but the detail on the lid of this was just super cute. I wanted you to see the actual packaging out of the box. And then if you wanted to see the wand, there you have it. but I definitely wanted you to see the lid with the little jewel on top, and it just looks really cute. Apply 1 to 2 times daily to clean and dry lashes. Allow serum to dry completely before applying additional lash products. I mean, it shows before and after pictures, but you know how before and after pictures are. Everybody body takes things differently, so you never know how it's going to react to you, but I'm definitely going to try this. It says lashes appear thicker, shinier, and healthier. Look at your lashes. So I'm really excited. This retails for $29, and it says it's made with a non-irritating property blend of proteins and peptides. Daily use of the serum will condition and strengthen lashes for a fuller, longer, and healthier looking set. So it's basically like a lash conditioner. So that's awesome. So there's item number 1. Now item number 2, this packaging is gorgeous. Let me just say, it's a hydration happy hydrating face mist. Okay, but look at the bottom, how pretty that is on the packaging. Very pretty. It has the rose gold, everything matches. The packaging is really, really pretty. So let's go ahead and that felt really nice, and it smells amazing. It's kind of like a florally kind of scent. It smells very, very good. I love that scent. That smells really, really good. So it says shake well, hold in an arm's length. I like a hand's length. And spray face 2 to 4 times. And an X or a T. Oh, see, I didn't even do none of that stuff, but I already sprayed it on my face, so I'm good. And it smells so good. And this retails for $19. Skin-loving ingredients delivered from seawater. Hydrating formula helps soothe and calm the skin. Light formula provides hydration before or after makeup application. And that's just, and I can still smell it. It's a really, really nice scent. Okay, so then the next thing that I'm pulling out here says Kadar Beauty, step 3, up top, 3-in-1 highlighter, shadow, blush. There's the packaging for that. And this one would be $24. Multi-purpose time-saving compact can be used as a blush, a bronzer, a highlighter, and a shadow. That's definitely different usages for this one compact. That's cool. $24. Features 2 textures, matte and pearlized, that glide on smooth for easy application and a glowing finish. So here is the actual packaging, and the color on the back says Uptown for the name. And then when you open it up, there's a little plastic cover. I don't know why I had to smell anything. I'm still smelling that face mist. And here is that. So you can use that for a bronzer, a highlighter, and a shadow, or a blush. So multi-usages for this compact right there. And there is a mirror on there as well. So again, that's $24. This box is really good so far. No, this box is just really good. And then the next item here says HD Perfecting Powder. And this is $29. It says create a matte, silky, smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine. Long wear universal powder for all skin tones. Keeps makeup put all day long. So there's the packaging, and there's the back. And, ooh, so when you open it up, there is a little sponge on the bottom, and then the top, it has a really cool little pattern to it. So there is that. So that is really neat. Right there. So it's just an all over powder that should blend in seamlessly with any skin tone, and it blended in with my hand. So there's that. And again, this is $29. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is Manna Kadar's Turn It Up Volumizing Mascara. Won't weigh lashes down, lashes appear fuller. So there's the packaging. They almost look exactly the same pictures. That's why I was like, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, but this one's the same picture though. So this one is just a black mascara. Okay. Okay, so here's the packaging. It looks really neat. There is the wand right there. So there is a black mascara. And then the last item right here, it says step 3 lip locked priming gloss stain. Let's see what color this is. Ooh, all right, that looks like a really pretty color. Not too dark, doesn't look too light. Give you a nice little, just gave me a nice little color to it, like a nude color. And it feels nice. It doesn't have a scent really. So that is really neat. So this is everything that came in this box, you guys. So we have the lip product, we have the mascara, we have the conditioning serum, we have the face mist that smells amazing, we have the face powder, and then we have the all-in-one bronzer, blush, shadow, or highlighter in this compact as well. So I will go ahead and add up all of the value. Oh, did I tell you how much? No, I didn't. This right here is $24, and it says built-in primer for long wear and a smooth application. Innovative hydrating formula combines the properties of a lip gloss and a stain. Infused with nourishing vitamins A and E and berry extracts. So this is $24. So I will add up the total for everything and put that right here for you guys. This would be the grand total for this box. And this box is only $34 with free shipping to the United States. Now, last box was all Hydrating. This box is all Manna Kadar. Next box could be all of the same products as well. And if that's the case, I really, really love that because they're not just throwing in random stuff from 5 to 6 different brands. It's all from the same brand, so you get to try multiple things. It's not like they're just sending you one lip gloss from this, one mascara from that, and just throwing it all in a box like a lot of other companies do. This one finds all of it in one box, and I really, really like that. Like, I'm really, really excited. I'm really, really excited about this box. So you guys let me know, have you heard of this box? Have you tried this box? Do you now want to? Crafty will get you 10% off if you do want to try it out. I like the fact that it's bi-monthly, and I really like the fact that it's all the same products that are inside. And again, I don't know if it's like that every single month, but so far what I've seen, that's what it looks like, and I'm really excited. So comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly do appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you again so much for sending me this box to show my viewers. I think it's an amazing box, and I think some others need to watch out. So that is everything for this video, you guys. Until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.